Big projects, tight deadlines, clients waiting. But your splicing machine keeps slowing you down. Slow splicing, poor accuracy, unreliable performance. Every mistake costs valuable time. When every second matters, you can't afford a machine that works against you. That's why professionals trust the Sumitomo TYPE-82C Fusion Splicer. Designed with advanced 6-motor core alignment technology and an innovative dual oven system, the TYPE-82C Plus eliminates one of the biggest hurdles in fiber splicing, and that is waiting. Built for speed, engineered for performance. 2 ovens, 0 waiting, while 1 fiber is heating. The next splice is already in progress. The result? More splices completed every day. Higher productivity, lower labor costs. With an ultra-fast splice time of approximately 5 seconds, and a heating time of just 8 seconds, the TYPE-82C Plus helps technicians work faster without compromising quality. Powered by Sumitomo's high-resolution direct core monitoring technology, the TYPE-82C Plus delivers exceptional core alignment accuracy. The system automatically recognizes and identifies the loaded fiber type, including SMF, MMF, BIF, NZDSF, DSF, CSF, and EDF fibers. It can splice SMF to NZDSF with advanced core alignment for precise, low-loss fiber connections. You can see 2 different sections of the fiber cable core on the screen. The large 5-inch color touchscreen provides clear fiber imaging and intuitive operation. Simply tap, splice, and move on. Long-life electrodes deliver up to 6,000 arc discharges, reducing maintenance requirements and helping teams stay focused on the job. Powered by NanoTune AI technology, it automatically optimizes splice parameters for consistent, low-loss results. Telecom field work isn't performed in perfect conditions. That's why the TYPE-82C Plus is built with IP52 rated dust and water resistance, along with advanced shock protection, helping technicians work confidently in challenging field conditions where other splicers struggle. At only 2.2 kilograms, including a 6,400 mAh battery, the TYPE-82C Plus is capable of up to 320 splice and heat cycles per charge. You can work longer, cover more locations, and complete more jobs without stopping to recharge. Whether you are working on data centers, telecom backbone networks, railway and defense communication projects, or large-scale ISP deployments, every splice has to be perfect. Sumitomo TYPE-82C Plus. Built for deadlines, engineered for precision.